Good evening, sir. Tell me your full name.
My name is Jesus Borca Rodriguez.
Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez. You have three different matters. The first one is 3 counts of burglary in the third degree. Those are class 4 felonies. And a second count of burglary in the third degree as a class 4 felony. That looks like it might be a third count. That doesn't make sense, so that's why I'm going to appoint you an attorney. But again, they've got 4 charges down here. Looks like there should only be 3. But again, that's between you and your attorney in the next hearing date with the next judge. I will appoint you an attorney. Your next hearing is August the 7th, downtown Phoenix. Bond is $10,000 on that matter, sir. The next matter, sir, is a probation violation. The next 2 matters are both probation violation cases. I've appointed you an attorney on each of them. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on both of them on the 8th of this month, downtown Phoenix. Each one of them has a $50 bond. Please reach out to your probation officer. They may have some ideas that might help you. Good luck, sir. Mr. Moorhead, come on up, Mr. Moorhead. And Daniel Mendoza is after Mr. Moorhead. Good evening, Ricky. Tell me your full name.
Ricky Moorhead.
Mr. Moorhead, this first matter is a burglary, unlawful entry, class 4 felony. I've appointed you an attorney on all cases, all 4 of them. You have a hearing on the 7th, downtown Phoenix. Bond is $5,000. The next 3 are all probation violations, sir. I've appointed you an attorney on all of them. You're going to have a probation violation hearing on all 3 cases on the 8th of this month, downtown Phoenix. Each one of them I put a $50 bond on. Please reach out to probation. They may have some ideas that might be helpful to you. Good luck, sir. Mr. Mendoza? Daniel, come on up. And Raul is after Daniel. Tell me your name, please.
Daniel Mendoza.
Sir, you have 2 different matters. First one's narcotic drugs, a class 4 felony, drug paraphernalia, a class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing is the 7th of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is $2,500 set by another judge. The next one, sir, is narcotic drugs, class 4 felony, and drug paraphernalia, class 6 felony. Same attorney, same hearing date, the 7th. The other judge wanted the same bond amount, but I lowered it to $50 on this one. Good luck, sir. Mr. Raul Polanco? Raul, come on up. And David Rodriguez is after Raul. Good evening, sir. Tell me your full name.
Raul Rene Polanco.
I apologize for mispronouncing your last name, sir. Dangerous drugs, a class 4 felony, drug paraphernalia, a class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing is the 7th, downtown Phoenix. Bond was set by a different judge at $2,000. Good luck, sir. Mr. Rodriguez, David, come on up. And Brent Woodhull is after Mr. Rodriguez. Tell me your full name, Mr. Rodriguez.
Reggie Rodriguez.
Thank you. This first matter is a probation violation warrant for your arrest. I've appointed you an attorney. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on the 8th, downtown Phoenix. Bond was set by the probation judge at $750. The next one, sir, is another probation violation. Same attorney, same hearing date, the 8th, same bond amount, different bond, $750. Please reach out to your probation officer. They may have some ideas that are helpful to you. Good luck. Mr. Woodall? Eric is after Brent. Brent, come on up. Hi. Tell me your full name, sir.
Brent J. Woodall.
Mr. Woodall, this first matter is narcotic drugs and dangerous drugs. They have it down as a class 4 and class 5 felony. I think that's wrong. A dangerous drug charge should be a class 4, but that's just a little problem you and your attorney can solve at the next hearing. Also, drug paraphernalia, class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. You have 2 hearing dates, the 7th of this month and the 9th of this month, both of them downtown Phoenix. I set bond in the amount of $50. The next one, sir, is dangerous drugs and narcotic drugs, both class 4 felonies, 2 counts of the narcotic drugs. Again, same attorney, sir, same hearing dates, the 7th and the 9th. Bond amount is $500 on this one, sir. Good luck, sir.
So what do I do?
Pardon me?
What do I do?
You've got 2 bonds totaling $550. I would call a bonding company if you don't have $550.
I don't.
Well, then you can try to call a bonding company, see if you can work out something. Good luck, sir.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Armenta, Eric? And Ms. Newells is after Mr. Armenta. Tell me your full name, sir.
Eric Armenta, 06-10-2004.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. This is a probation violation matter, sir. I've appointed you an attorney. Your probation revocation downtown Phoenix is going to be on the 8th of this month. Bond is $500. Please reach out to your probation officer. They may have some ideas that are helpful to you. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Ms. Newells, come on up. And Erica Wolfie is after this lovely lady. Tell me your full name, Miss.
Cherise Knowles.
Ms. Newells, this is a dangerous drug case and a drug paraphernalia case. I've appointed you an attorney. You have 2 hearings coming up, the 7th and the 9th, both downtown Phoenix. Bond was set by another judge at $500. Good luck, Miss. Erica, come on up, Erica. And Davis is after Erica. Tell me your full name, Miss.
Erica Wool.
Miss, this is trespassing as a Class 6 felony and criminal damage as a Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney. You have 2 hearings coming up, the 7th and the 9th, both downtown Phoenix. The judge who issued this warrant wants a $500 bond. Good luck, Miss.
Thank you.
Mr. Davis, come on up, Mr. Davis. After Mr. Davis is Molly Maples. Tell me your full name, sir.
Uriah Ray Davis.
Sir, this is a criminal trespassing as a Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. You have 2 hearing dates coming up, the 15th and the 19th. You're being released to pretrial services. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours.
Okay.
That officer is going to hand you a whole bunch of paperwork.
Okay.
Read it carefully. Within the envelope is all the terms and conditions that you have to follow. Good luck, sir.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Molly, come on up, Molly. Brandy's after Molly. Ms. Maples, tell me your full name, please.
Molly Elizabeth Maples.
Ms. Maples, this is driving on a suspended or revoked license. You're in front of the San Marcos Justice Court, Judge. I cannot appoint you an attorney in his jurisdiction. He has to do that. You're going to meet that judge on the 20th. He wanted a bond, but I'm going to release you on your own recognizance. Show up and take care of this. This is a simple matter.
I will.
Good luck, miss.
Thank you.
Brandy, come on up. And then Melissa's after Brandy. Brandy Saunders? After Brandy is Melissa. Melissa, why don't you sit next to the door?
Who's Brandy?
Brandy. Tell me your full name, Brandy.
Brandy Rose Saunders.
Ms. Saunders, you have two different matters here. The first one's a shoplifting as a misdemeanor out of the Kyrene Justice Court. I cannot appoint you an attorney. That's up to the Kyrene judge. You're going to meet that judge on the 21st of this month over at that Justice Court, which is in East Mesa. You're being released on your own recognizance, miss. The next one, miss, is a probation violation. I've appointed you an attorney. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on the 8th. Again, you're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. As soon as you step outside this building, place a call to your probation officer. If you follow their rules and my rules, you're given the next judge you meet on the 8th 2 real good reasons to not put you in prison. Good luck.
So I'll be out of here in 6 hours?
Yes, miss.
Thank you.
Melissa, come on, Melissa. Miss Flores? And then Dale Ford is after Miss Flores. Tell me your full name, miss.
Melissa Flores.
Ms. Flores, this is a narcotic drug case, a class 4 felony. I've appointed you an attorney. You have 2 hearings coming up, the 15th and the 19th, both downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance, miss. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. Good luck. You're getting out.
Did you see the judge?
I got charged for it?
Pardon me?
I got charged for narcotics.
I didn't understand what you just
I
said.
got charged for narcotics.
Well, miss, all I'm telling you is you got charged with a narcotic drug violation.
I didn't know that.
Well, that's what you got charged with, and I've appointed you an attorney. You got to show up on the 15th and meet your attorney and deal with this, and you're being released. Good luck.
Okay.
Show up in court on the 15th, or there'll be another warrant for your arrest. Mr. Ford, Dale. Teresa's after Dale. Good evening, sir. Tell me your full name.
Dale Patrick Ford.
Mr. Ford, this is a criminal damage as a misdemeanor. I cannot appoint you an attorney. That's up to the Buckeye judge. He probably won't, but he can. He does have the authority. You're going to meet the Buckeye judge on the 20th out in Buckeye. You're being released on your own recognizance. However, you cannot return to the scene of the crime until the Buckeye judge says you can. You cannot have any contact with the victim until the Buckeye judge says you can.
Yes, sir.
Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
You'll be out in about 6 hours, sir. Teresa Hulls. And Jeremy Baker's after Teresa. Teresa, tell me your full name.
Teresa Marie Hewells.
I apologize for mispronouncing your last name.
That's okay.
This is a criminal trespassing out of surprise. It's a misdemeanor. I cannot appoint you an attorney. That's up to the surprise judge. They probably won't, but they have the authority. You're going to meet the surprise judge on the 27th of this month. You're being released on your own recognizance, but you may not return to the scene of the alleged crime. Good luck, miss.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck. Be out in about 6 hours.
Thank you.
Jeremy Baker. Come on up, Jeremy. Alyssa is after Jeremy. Good evening, sir. Tell me your full name.
Jeremy Edward Baker.
Mr. Baker, this is a dangerous, this is a dangerous drug case and drug paraphernalia case. Class 4 and Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. You have 2 hearings coming up, the 15th and the 19th, both of them downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. Good luck.
Thank you very much, sir.
Ms. Contreras. Ms. Contreras, come on up. And then Mr. Norman is after Ms. Contreras. Elisa, tell me your full name.
Melissa Marie Contreras.
Ms. Contreras, this first matter is a probation violation matter. I've appointed you an attorney. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on the 8th of this month downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out in about 6 hours. The second one's another probation violation. Same attorney, same hearing date, the 8th, same release conditions on your own recognizance. The last one, miss, is another probation violation. Same attorney, same hearing date, downtown Phoenix on the 8th. You're being released on your own recognizance. When you get out of this building in about 6 hours, I know it'll be late, early in the morning, first call immediately as you step out of this building is to your probation officer. Follow their rules, follow mine. You're giving the next judge you meet 2 very good reasons to not put you in prison on all 3 of your probation violations. Good luck, miss.
Thank you.
Mr. Norman, come on up, Mr. Norman. Good evening, Mr. Norman. Tell me your full name.
Jermaine Norman.
Mr. Norman, I see you've got that big laminated piece of paper in your hand. That's what they call extradition. Extradition's a legal process whereby one state, in your case, Pennsylvania, wants you back because you allegedly violated your terms and conditions of parole. We found you. By you triggering extradition, you have several rights. The first one is you have a right to fight the extradition. If you want to fight that extradition, I'm happy to set a next hearing date for you in about 10 days. You're also entitled to bond normally. However, on parole violations, you don't have a right to any bond, so you'd be held without bond until the next hearing, and then also after that hearing, as long as extradition takes, and the extradition can take up to 90 days. You can also waive extradition. If you waive extradition, we set you on a short leash, so to speak, because we can only keep you for 30 days, and if Pennsylvania does not come and get you within the 30 days, we kick you loose. But that does not solve the problem that you still have in Pennsylvania. What do you want to do? Do you want to fight extradition? Do you want to waive extradition?
I'll waive it.
You want to waive it? I got to ask you a bunch of questions then, sir. You have read that document that you just placed down in front of you regarding extradition, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you do not have to sign the waiver paperwork.
Yes.
You have a right to have an extradition hearing, that'd be in about 10 days. You understand that, right? And you're giving it up by signing it. You have a right to hire your own attorney at your own expense. I cannot appoint you one because extradition is civil. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Sir, do you understand you have a right to demand both the governors, both Arizona and Pennsylvania, to sign the extradition paperwork? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have the right to have bail in your case, so bail is not available because it's a parole violation? Say yes?
Yes.
I'm not being rude, I'm just recording this. I saw you shake your head yes, but I need you to answer out loud, but thank you. Has anyone used do you want to give up those rights and sign the extradition paperwork?
Yeah, if it's gonna get me 30 days over there, yeah.
Well, Pennsylvania is pretty good about coming getting you.
Yeah, I know.
They'll probably come to get you in probably about 2 weeks,
All right.
but they have up to 30 days. Has anyone used any forced threats or made any promises to get you to sign the extradition waiver?
Yes. What did you say that again?
Has anyone used?
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Any threats, made any promises to get you to sign the
No,
waiver?
no. I see how you do, like you said, no, you ain't
No,
threatening me.
that's okay. Have you had any drugs, alcohol, and medication last 24 hours?
No.
I'm gonna find you made a knowing, intelligent, voluntary, waiver. I'm gonna ask you with the officer's permission to step over to this lovely lady. She'll take care of your paperwork and sign you all out and give you your paperwork. And then that officer or one of his associates will reach out to Pennsylvania and they'll make arrangements to come get you. Good luck in Pennsylvania, sir.